Hey kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. First, let's begin with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now, relax. Kids, take out your numeracy skills sheet book. Numeracy skills sheets book. Open page number 38. Page number 38. Today we are going to learn about the shapes, and the first one is circle. A round shape with no corners is called a circle. A round shape with no corners is called a circle. Kids, circle में corners नहीं होते हैं. It is round in shape. You can see here wheel is given, which is circle in shape. Here the globe is given, which is circle in shape. And here a game is given, which is circle in shape. A wall clock is given, which is circle in shape. Balls are given, which are circle in shape. And a smiley is given, which is also circle in shape. So this is a circle. Now come to page number 39. It's practice time. Trace and color the circles. Kids, here the circles are given, which you have to trace. So we will start tracing the circles. Kids, you have to join these given dots properly so that we will get a circle shape. Join it slowly so that the dots are joined properly. Do it slowly. This way. Stop. Kids, this way, after tracing the circles, we will start doing coloring them. So, we will take first blue color and do proper outline and then fill color inside it. Do it slowly and properly. Kids, this way you have to color the given circles properly with different colors in your book. Now turn your page to number 40. Identify and circle all the circle shaped objects. Kids, here many objects are given of different shape, but you have to circle the circle shaped objects. So this is a swimming tube. This is a swimming tube. It is circle in shape. So we will circle them like this. Now here the goggles are given, which are not in circle shape. So we will not circle it. Next is balloon. Balloon is also not in proper circle shape. So we will not circle it. Next is book. Kids, is it in circle shape? No. So we will not circle it. Next is a plate. Is it circle in shape? Yes. So we will circle it like this. Next is ice cream cone. It is not circle. So we will not circle it. Now here the sweet lime is given, which is circle in shape. So we will circle it like this. Now next is lollipop. Kids, is this circle in shape? Yes. So we will circle it like this. Next is watermelon, but it is not circle in shape. So we will not circle it. Here a circle colored round is given which is circle in shape. So we will circle it like this. And here the ball is given which is circle in shape. So we will circle it like this. This way kids, you have to circle all the circle shaped objects. Now come to page number 41, practice time. Trace the circles and color the picture. Here the circles are given. You have to trace them properly and you have to color the picture neatly in your book. Now turn your page to number 42. Next shape is of a rectangle. A four-sided object having opposite sides equal is called a rectangle. Four-sided object. Kids, rectangle में four sides होते हैं और उसमें opposite sides equal होते हैं. जैसे इसका opposite ये है तो these sides are equal और इसका opposite side ये है तो these both sides are equal. So this is a rectangle shape. Here the door is given which is rectangle in shape. Here the frame is given which is rectangle in shape. Here DVD player is given which is rectangle in shape. A wooden plank is given which is rectangle in shape. Here a board is given which is rectangle in shape and a desktop which is rectangle in shape. So all these objects are rectangle in shape. Now kids, come to page number 43. Trace and color the rectangles. So we will trace all the rectangles first and then we will color it. Join the dots slowly and properly to give a correct shape. Kids, this way you have to complete all the rectangles and now we will start coloring them. So let's start with green color. Give a proper shape and then fill color inside it. Kids, this way you have to color all the given triangles neatly and properly in your book. Now turn your page to number 44. Circle the rectangle shaped objects. Here different objects are given which you have to circle, but you have to find a rectangle shaped objects. So this is a suitcase which is rectangle in shape because here opposite sides are equal. So it is rectangle in shape. Let's circle it like this. Now next is apple, but it is not a rectangle in shape. Now here a cupboard is given which is rectangle in shape. So we will circle it like this. Next, here an envelope is given which is a rectangle in shape. So we will circle it like this. Here a box is given which is a rectangle in shape. So we will circle it like this. Here an audio cassette is given which is also a rectangle in shape. So we will circle it like this. Here a CD is given but it is circle in shape. So we will not circle it. Here a cake is given which is not in rectangle shape. Here a book is given which is having a rectangle shape. So we will circle it like this. Here a tablet is given which is also a rectangle in shape. So we will circle it like this. Kids, this way you have to find out the rectangle shape and circle them. Now come to page number 45. Help the polar bear to reach the glacier by coloring the rectangles only. Here a polar bear is given and here the glacier is given. You have to color the given rectangles with the help of your parents in your book. Do it properly. Now turn your page to number 46. Next shape is square. A shape whose all four sides are equal is called a square. Square has equal sides. इसमें जो भी objects होते हैं उसके sides equal होते हैं. So here the carom is given which is square in shape as all the sides are equal. Here a wall clock is given which is square in shape. Here a gift box is given. This is also square in shape. Here the cheese cube is given which is square in shape. Now here the chessboard is given. This is also square in shape. Here the dice is given which is square in shape, and here a window is given which is square in shape. Now kids, come to page number 47. It's practice time. Trace and color the squares. Here the shape of squares is given which you have to trace them and then color them. So let's start tracing them like this. Kids, this way you have to trace all the given squares and after that you have to color in them. So let's start with blue color. Do outline properly and then fill color inside it. Kids, this way you have to color all the squares neatly and properly. Now turn your page to number 48. 48, practice time. Write S for the square shaped objects in the boxes. Here the objects are given and boxes are given. So you have to write S for the square shaped objects. Now look at the first object. Which shape is this? Kids, here the opposite sides are equal. So this is rectangle. We will not write anything in this box. Now this ball is circle shape, right? So we will not write S in the given box. Now here a album is given which is square in shape as all the sides are equal. So we will write S in the given box. Next, here the desktop is rectangle in shape as the opposite sides are equal. So we will not write anything in the given box. Here a board is given, flashboard, which is rectangle in shape. So we will not write anything in the given box. Here the window is in square shape as all the sides are equal. So we will write S in the given box. Now here a scenery frame is given which is rectangle in shape as opposite sides are equal. So we will not write anything in the given box. Now kids, come to page number 49. You have to trace the circles and color them orange. Here you have to find out the circles and you have to color them orange. And here the square shapes are given which you have to trace and color them blue. This way you have to complete the given picture with the help of your parents in your book.